Huh?
You have pre-made tags?
Yep.
Fuck out of here.
Now that's how your floor's supposed to shine. Here we go. So here we are with the sealer, waiting for it to dry up. But look how beautiful the floors transform. How would you like to transform your house, your office, your place of business, your shopping centers? If you guys are interested or want to know more, give me a call, 915-247-8784. Again, that's 915-247-8784. Let them know that Mr. Alchemist sent you so you get a special discount. What's going on, El Paso? What you guys doing? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, all you social medias out there. How you guys doing today on this Sunday? As you could tell, we are getting ready to put the sealer. Right now it's just stained on the floor. As you can tell, we already got this thing up and running. Getting ready to put the sealer. So, come real quick, Gilbert. Can you hold it real quick? Hold it real quick so I can just shoot the sealer real quick. We got a new gun, so let's see how it works.
Works really good, actually.
Huh?
It works really good, actually.
Yeah. So there you go, people. That's what sealer. The holidays are here, so make sure you guys take your appointment. Give us a call, 915-247-8784. Again, that's 915-247-8784. We take all major credit cards, payment plans, and we have warranty on our projects. Talk to you guys later. What's going on? El Paso, Texas, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, all you social medias out there. How you guys doing today on this beautiful Sunday? As you could tell, it's a little bit chilly outside. Here we are finishing up a project for a clinic on the west side. So it has a Malayan buff with coffee brown. So this is what we're transforming buildings, houses to. I'll take you guys inside. So as you could tell, it has this beautiful floor throughout the whole office building. What the best benefit about this, it's a lot more cleaner. You don't have to worry about cleaning as much aspects of it. It lasts a whole lot longer than regular tile, carpet, or VCT. As you could tell, right now we're getting ready for put the sealer. So right now we're hitting the last little areas before we finish up that aspects of it and then put the sealer on. So right now we are in the holidays, so don't forget we do have gift certificates to give to your loved ones. If you want to know more, give me a call, 915-247-8784. Again, that's 915-247-8784. Again, Don't forget and don't miss out on our holiday specials.
Huh? You have pre-made tags?
Yep.
Fuck out of here.
Now that's how your floor's supposed to shine.